In today's video, I'm going to reveal how I made $7,651 in commissions last 7 days with affiliate marketing using YouTube. This is one of the most powerful platforms for driving free traffic and earning commissions, and I'll break it down step by step so you can copy and paste. First, I'll show you how we can create high converting videos that attract 1,000 of views and clicks to your affiliate links. Next, I will walk you through the best strategies to optimize your YouTube channel for growth and income. And I will also share the tools and strategies I use it to scale this business and turn YouTube into consistent income stream. If you are ready to start earning with YouTube affiliate marketing and build a profitable online business, let's get started. Just make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you. And let's get started. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and just in the last 7 days I made this commission, and you should know that last month I made $17,975 in commission, and it's paid as you can see over here. This is my invoice and it's paid in this date. So commission that you will make this month, it's gonna be paid in the next month. This is how this business works. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, it's super easy and simple. Just follow those steps that I will share with you. Step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link over here. Sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page, and if you scroll down like this, let me show you. Just scroll down and go to company over here and scroll down and click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, you can scroll down, you can get more idea and more information about how much you will earn. Anyway, let's go back. You need to go back to this homepage here and click on join now. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Okay, like this. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, say no. Okay, and choose your country. So your location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from any country, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, India, any country. Okay, it doesn't matter. And choose your language from here. And if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. This will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, and you should see commissions here, clicks, CTR, and so on. What you will do next, you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on YouTube. So you will be an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, so you need to promote services on YouTube to earn commission, and I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on YouTube, and it's still making me thousands of dollars every single month with YouTube. Okay, so here is what you will do next. Pay close attention. Go back to your YouTube channel. Open your YouTube channel. Why we choose YouTube? YouTube is the best traffic source for me. I have said this many times in my YouTube videos, in my last YouTube videos, because YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors, and you should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two, and millions of people every single day are using YouTube to search for services, so search for topics, search for products, and so much more. People are using YouTube and they are buying from YouTube so much. They are buying product, they are buying services, and so much more. Okay, Do you understand the power of YouTube? Like, do you see this number? That's a big number. You just need to do it correctly, and you just need to do good content that will turn viewers into clicks to your affiliate links, and those clicks into commissions, and you can make so much money using just free traffic from YouTube. Okay, so here's what you will do. Pay close attention. So open your YouTube channel like this. You need to create a new YouTube channel, okay? And click on the search here and ask question. For example, I will ask how to grow, for example, how to get a real Instagram. And here you go. You guys can see people just what you need to do, you will use YouTube search bar to see what topics people are searching for. Okay, you just need to ask question. For example, I asked how to get a real Instagram, and YouTube give me those topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. Do you see this? Report search prediction. Those topics that are the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. People are searching for how to get a real Instagram followers, how to get a real Instagram followers 2024, how to get a real Instagram likes. Those people who are searching for this topic, they will be interested to buy a service about Instagram. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, go back to your home page, click on the search and search for Instagram promotion, search for this service. Okay, those people who are searching for, let me show you this topic, how to get a real Instagram followers, they want to grow their Instagram account. Okay, so they will be interested, of course not all those people, but you have a lot of people who also will be interested to buy this service from you. Okay, to buy this one, Instagram promotion, to grow their Instagram account and to get more real followers. Okay, pay close attention. Search for Instagram promotion, scroll down, you need to choose good sellers. Okay, how we can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. And pro sellers are the best sellers that you can use to promote your services as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. Okay, so I'm gonna choose one of those sellers. For example, I'm gonna choose like this one. This one is pro seller. You see this? Over 1,000 reviews. This service starting from $100, which is good. I will click on this one. I will choose this one. Just click on the service that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this pro seller profile on Fiverr. You guys can see this seller has 5% of the first order, which is really good. This is discount and it's really good. Will convince people to buy this service and grow their Instagram account to get real followers. Okay, this is the proof. You guys can see here this, how many people paid just for this service. You see this? Over 4,000 reviews, meaning over 4,000 people paid for this service. The best part is that this service will never be saturated. People will keep buying this service again and again, because you see this seller is providing good service for his customers. People keep coming back, meaning that they are getting more real followers, and they keep coming back and buying more from this seller to grow their Instagram account to get more followers. Okay, this is the proof. Look how many orders in queue. 163 orders in queue. Which people are paying for this service? Which audience will be interested to buy this service? Of course, this audience who search for how to get a real Instagram followers. Okay, this is the proof. I'm not hiding for you anything here. I'm sharing with you everything. You see this? You can see everything here. You can see this is the proof. It's working. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy the profile link of this seller. Okay, like this. Copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, and you have here your dashboard. Click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payment, post back. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So you have this link, Fiverr Marketplace. This link, if you want to direct people to the Fiverr Marketplace, and they can go and choose which service they can buy. Okay, they can go and choose any service they will buy in this category of Instagram promotion. Or you can use this link. This one will be not available in your new account, Fiverr old plan, because for me, guys, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said, I have been doing this business for over 5 years, and they still have this option. For you, you will start using this link, this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, this one, you will copy your affiliate link from here like this, so you can promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we need a video that we will use to promote this service on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page. Okay, and you guys can see that the seller has a video which is really good. I will click on his video.
Hi, my name is Brian, and welcome to our Instagram service on Fiverr. In this gig, we will help you grow your Instagram account, and we will...
So this seller is explaining his service to his customers and how he will help them grow their Instagram account and get more real followers, okay? Which is really good. So what I will do, I will double click on the video and I will click on save video. I will save this video to my laptop, okay? Like this, I'm gonna click on save. Okay, the video will be saved to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for Canva like this. Okay, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. It's for free. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and click on YouTube video. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Here is what you will do next. You will click here on upload, click on upload file, and upload the video that you download from Fiverr about Instagram promotion, this one. Okay, click on open and your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. You see this? Click on your video and your video will be over here. Okay, click on these 3 points, scroll down, click on set the video as background, and here you go. What you will do next, you will click here on text. Okay, and scroll down and choose which text style you want to use. Just make sure to use good one that looks clear. I'm gonna choose, for example, like this one, just an example. I'm gonna delete the second one here, and I will decrease the font size of this text like this, and I will put this text here, double click, and I'm gonna write check link in my description. So people who will watch this video on YouTube, they will see this check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. I will click on elements. Okay, and what I will do next is I will scroll down and I will go to this one, to shapes, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I will click on color and I will choose black color, and I will put this shape behind this text like this. And here you go, check link in my description. We have a video done. Okay, you see this?
Hi, my name is Brian, and welcome to our Instagram service on...
What you will do next, you will click on share, and this will help people to check my description to see my affiliate link, so they will be directly, if they click on the link, they will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, you just need to click on download and the video will be downloading to your laptop. Go back to YouTube. Okay, open your YouTube channel, upload the video, click on upload and upload the video, and upload this video as Creative Commons, so we will not get any copyright issue with YouTube. And also use this title, how to get a real Instagram followers, this one, exactly like this. Use this keyword so you can rank your video in the search result and get traffic from YouTube search. Okay, use the same keywords that people are using to search for these topics. Okay, in your YouTube description, put this sentence. If you are looking for how to get a real Instagram followers, check link below. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. It's clear, okay? It's super easy. This audience will be interested. Audience that are searching for how to get Instagram real followers, they will be interested to buy this service to promote their Instagram account and increase followers. Okay, it's already working. Look how many orders in queue. Look how many reviews. I have another option for you that you can use if you don't want to use this video. You have two options. Click on the video. Let me show you. Go click here and click on this picture, and you will turn screen recording on. Okay, and you will record a slideshow video showing the results of the customers who already paid for this service. Okay, let me show you. Click on this picture, and if you click here, you will find people who already paid for this service. You see this one got 193 new followers. Okay, and people are satisfied. Look at this, good as always. This is amazing. Once again, you see this, people are buying. Like you can see, it's just 3 days ago a lot of people paid for this service. You will record this slideshow video like this, showing the result of those customers. Amazing seller. You see this, it's working. It's just about the marketing. It's just about how do you promote this service on YouTube. It's already working. You just need to do it correctly so you can make so much commissions from YouTube. Okay, it's all about creating content. That's all about affiliate marketing. It's all about creating good content that will convince people to buy services to grow their businesses, whether it's Instagram or YouTube or Twitter or any platform. Okay, and that's it. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Inside my course, you can get access to all my profitable services, how you can create content, how you can create affiliate websites, how you can use Instagram, how you can use YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, and so much more to promote your services organically with free traffic and so much more. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.